Age reversal restores vision in primate. Up next, humans. In the latest announcement on anti-aging and longevity, a primate was said to have its vision restored using age reversal. The next tests for this are going to be done on humans. Who is doing this? The teams that are doing this are HarvardMed, Masseyeandear, and Life BioSciences, which is a company founded in 2017 by David Sinclair. The technique was a gene therapy that restores vision loss in a non-human primate model of NAION. Lecture on gene therapy. Bruce Ksander is giving a lecture today on this gene therapy. The monkeys were treated with a vision of the lab's inducible AAV-OSK system, which also was used to extend the lifespan of a mouse. This is a new frontier of epigenetic reprogramming and comes after many years of work by the aforementioned organizations and companies who seek to develop safe age reversal technologies to reset old and damaged tissue. Epigenetic reprogramming. The epigenetic reprogramming works in monkeys to treat an injury to the retina called NAION, which is like having a stroke in the back of the eye. Right now, doctors can't do anything to reverse vision loss that happens this way. The next human trials are going to begin at Life BioSciences. Yuan-Cheng Liu, a former PhD student of David Sinclair, led the mouse studies with Bruce and David. Here is Yuan pictured with Dr. Shinya Yamanaka in 2016, who won the Nobel Prize for discovering genes that turn adult cells into stem cells. I personally have benefited from stem cells by going to Mexico for advanced and alternative medical therapies for Lyme disease. Conclusion. What do you think of this up-and-coming gene therapy? Will it be successful in humans?